So happy Monday! Today is January 23rd, and guess who is home? The kid. He's over there. He's been home since Friday, y'all. Friday was when the snow was supposed to happen, and it didn't happen to Saturday, but we did get a good amount. Speaking of which, let's say hello to we did get a good amount. And so I thought that the kid was going to school today. No, they were home. I'm hoping that he goes back tomorrow. I love him dearly. He has got to go. Today has been a Monday of a Monday. Okay. I have had all the technology issues, okay? Starting with work technology. I updated my iPhone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max right now. Before the year is out, I'm going to upgrade to a new one. Just trying to, we're still, like I say, in the no extra spending clause right now, which I'll probably get out of that once, because this month, February is coming, is Bay's birthday, we got Valentine's Day, and after that is when the heavy demand is off my back. So sis be like, August to February, sis be like the funds be having a chokehold, you know what I'm saying? So you got like school starting back, then you got our anniversary, then you got my birthday, and then you got Halloween, which is not really like a super spendy thing unless your kid wants to be something crazy that costs a lot of money for Halloween. Then you got the holidays where you're traveling, well, depending on what the world is doing. Then you got to prepare for Christmas, and then once we got out of Christmas, I got Daniel's birthday. From there, we got the New Year. So you're recovering from that, and then we slide right into Valentine's Day and Bay's birthday. And so pretty much March, April, May, June, July is when the chokehold on finances ain't as bad. And so where we have more wiggle room to do what we want. However, also with the chokehold, Daniels is in sports, so of course it is time to pay for his soccer registration, which means how I've been having all this downtime. My vlog will be consisting of soccer practices and games, and he wants to play soccer in the spring and flag football in the summer. These vlogs are going to be interesting. Stay tuned. Anyway, so I did the update, and me and this Apple Watch, we've been going through it because first of all, she's been needing an update for quite some time, and they kept trying to deny me or whatnot. Alright, bam. So now that the update for my phone has happened, pretty much it wasn't compatible. So pretty much I have been unable to communicate with the world all day, because if I back out, it's gonna stop. Which is a good and bad thing, because I was able to get work done once my technology issues at work was resolved. But can we hurry up? And I feel like I'm missing, I'm up here doing laundry. I'm folding clothes. I'm about to clean the bathroom. And this is calories that can be done. And so I was going to go ahead and get a jump start and work out. But I need y'all to count my calories, bruh. I need those. Sure do. But that's how my Monday is going. I hope you guys are having a good Monday thus far. And we may or may not check back in later. So apparently it's about to go down. Daniel, show the vlog. First of all,
see if there's any paper in the box, Dan.
check out Daniel Fit Minecraft. Daniel, stand up for the people.
See? That's some more stuff you didn't get out of it.
Stand up. Stand up for the people, then. Minecraft PJs from Walmart.
And you can put your thumbs in it.
Check your clearance in your local stores. These here guns are also from Walmart, not sponsored.
Look.
Clearance. Bow. I don't know. Did it say how much it used to cost? We all know it won't 13.
No, I think they're like.
Daniel, show us the piece that we get the gun. We get this little piece right here. Okay. I don't know what this little number is over here.
Ain't see what's up. Let's show you how to do it.
But
I got it in.
it's about to go down. We gonna call y'all back when they all set up. All right, hey y'all. So I did a little shoppy. Excuse my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. First of all, I want y'all to tell y'all that we done upgraded in the world. We got us a little tripod. It come in this little nifty bag here. I feel fancy. It was $19.99, something like that. I'm gonna prop y'all up for now while I open this and see what we working with. Is this something I got to put together? Because I might got to call y'all back. Yeah, no, we're not. I thought I was gonna prop y'all up with this, but we got to put it together. We not about to do that right now. We'll try again later. I ain't got time. Shut up. What?
Oh, nothing. I was trying to get my Bath and Body bag.
Let me tell the people what I got. Yours is over here.
I know.
Here. So we'll start with Bath and Body Works. Did you call me? See, this is what I'm saying. You can't never find. Where am I gonna put y'all at? Because y'all can't see. Oh, okay.
The only person I get the lemonade and you keep it bit for 2 days.
I do not. Your son does. First of all, anyways, we got the Empowered Teak Wood Men Body Spray from Bath and Body Works, the Black History section. Those don't belong in here. We also went and got the Clear Horizon in the men collection. I knew that. It smelled like it was coming out. I had a free rewards, so I went and got the. You said that gin hand? I got this right here for the free. It smelled good because I feel like some of it came out. I got the Laundry Day room scent. We was out of that. That was $8.50. And today the wallflowers was on sale for $3.95 in my location. So we got the Rainforest Gardenia. This is for Daniel room. I did not approve. It stunk when I smelled it. But yeah. It's the Floral Uplifting. And what's the notes? It's classic white gardenia, sweet apple water, bamboo, and white woods. He can have that. Oh, Lord. Next, we got, of course, strawberry pound cake. That's fruity and happy. That has fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. We got Laundry Day. Y'all already know. If one thing for sure, I'm going to always have fresh linen, sun-dried, something about some laundry in the house. You already know what it is. Ooh, and y'all, we about to die. We not going to make it, is we? We probably ain't going to make it through this whole haul. Fresh air and crisp eucalyptus and soft lavender. We've got champagne toast. That's in the fruity and happy section. Bubbly champagne, sparkly berries, and juicy tangerine. We've got raspberry and whipped vanilla. That's also in the fruity and happy. That's the one that's coming out, Lord. That's pink raspberries, strawberry vanilla bean, and sugared lemon drops. I like this. I'm a little worried about it because it smelled good, but it was like really faint. So I might have to put that in one of the smaller rooms because I don't know if she's going to do what she's supposed to do. And then we got Hello Beautiful. This is in the Floral Uplifting section. And this is white gardenia, jasmine petals, and magnolia blossoms Right now, Daniel's room by the door and Daniel's bathroom all need to be changed out. So I'll update y'all on who got what. Guess I'm gonna keep going with what's right here. From Walmart, I went and got some new press-on nails. I still had some left from the last time I bought them, but child, them things is extra large, and just the thought of putting them extra large nails on my hand just gives me anxiety, because your girl could not do anything with them extra long nails. Kudos to y'all with extra long nails, but keep me with this size, because I can't. I got me a new SD card, so we finally winning. So when this card is full, I got backup, so I feel real excited about that. Is there anything close to me? Daniel got some clothes. He got the sweatpants. He got these in this color, and the green and the gray. One thing about Walmart, if you need to quickly get some bottoms for children, you could easily go there and re-up on children's bottoms real quickly. And these were all $5.96 for these. I normally try to go in there and get every color of stuff like that. Because, listen, let me tell you something. The kids, when they in second and third grade, when they in second grade, first of all, they rolling around on the floor. Then you'll be coming in with these darn dirt spots on the bottom of the knees. We need most of this type of attire, because we gonna keep the jeans and the khakis for when we go places, because the way they be coming home be different. We got this shirt right here. This was $4.98. Daniel is now in the size where you need to try stuff on, because child, he tall, and you know we've been eating, and so yeah. So the 10-12s be looking a little like they not gonna make it, but they was making it as far as being big. So then we got pretty much every color. We got the brown. Okay, this is in the way. We got the navy blue, gray, and red stripe. These were, dang Daniel, $8.44. We got that in the black, red, and white. These are my faves here. We got these in the blue, black, and white. And these were cute too. The gray, navy, and orange. Athletic wear. He lit. And then we got these maroon burgundy color here. These was actually on clearance for $2. Check your local Walmart, because they do got a lot of stuff on clearance. I'm going to be right back.